What's up, y'all? We are back with more questions, and I'll throw I'll do a little tutorial on how I trade at the end of this, because that's really what I like doing. I really don't do a lot of these little moving around things. I like sitting in the house, but I did not want to be in the house today, so that's why I'm out here doing these vlogs with y'all now. And I'm not calling. Let me stop calling it a vlog, because it's not a vlog. It's really just me answering a bunch of the questions that I get on my YouTube, or I get on my Instagram, or and I just compile it all together and put it in my phone. So without me talking, let me look at the questions. Will this coaching help me create a side income or full-time business? Yes. So I have a business. It's with Forex. I had to, for tax reasons. I had to get an LLC, go down to Chase. My bank is Chase, and that's who I bank with for everything. My business, my Forex, all my profits and everything goes through Chase. Yes, to answer the question, yes, you can have a full-time income, full business. There's really nothing much on that. Next question. What's the investment required to get started, and are there any hidden costs? With Forex, no. It's just you open an account like you do a broker account. Just like you open a bank account. You put money in it and you're able to trade. It's literally what your banks do. When you put money in your banks, all they're doing is taking it over to Forex or stocks, and they're just trading your money. So basically, you could do the same thing in your own bank account. Do the same thing in your bank. Next question. I'm gonna tell y'all how I got started. So I started with QBank's course 5 years ago. I can pull up a screen. Oh, a matter of fact, how about I just show proof? I don't have to do this another time or this and that. I'm gonna go to my email and I'm gonna show y'all my Wall Street Academy. Look, that's the receipt. It was $7.49. Hold on, can y'all see it? Look, this is not no screenshot. This is my actual. Look, I can reply. This is my email. And I was losing money at the beginning, and I'm not saying that that Q Banks is my coach at all. I just got the course. I fell into that course stuff, but I was learning about the course. Matter of fact, it taught me the basics. It taught me what I need to know. Everything was really taught me what you know what? I wouldn't even got it to this point. If I didn't get all them courses, or I didn't get all this other stuff, would I be at this point in my life? You know, who knows? If there's one piece that you didn't get, I don't think so, because how I trade, it's a system. And if I do one thing wrong out of my system, how I trade, then I will lose money. So no, everything is for a purpose. Here, y'all want to see my view? Everything is for a purpose. Y'all can make a lot of money, y'all. You can make a lot of money in Forex. I was working at Whataburger. I was a manager at Whataburger, and when I get home, I have the uniform. Please don't think I will not show y'all the uniform. I have 10 of them. Please check my facts. I have 10 outfits of a Whataburger uniform. This ain't no, oh, he can buy this from somewhere. No. I have a name. Hold on. No. It's at the house. I have a name tag. I thought I had it on me right now. And it's my little bag I have that I put my camera in. I have a name tag. Oh, when I get home. I feel like I told y'all something, and I got a friend where I gotta show him the receipts, but I'm not at the house yet. When I gotta show these receipts. So I worked at Whataburger as a manager, and I knew, oh, I don't want to do this no more. I had to train these kids. They're not kids, but they're like 18 through 22 is who works at Whataburger. And then you got the grown dudes that are like, that went to jail and stuff like that, and they always got to act all hard and tough and everything, but they're working at Whataburger. I'm not shaming anything because I was a manager there. I'm just saying, like, I had to deal with all types of different personalities where I was like, why am I even messing with these kids, teaching them how to flip a patty and be on time? And then I got to deal with people calling in, calling out, this and that. Oh, I hated dealing with all that. Then I got to be there for 12 hours of the day, just sitting there counting registers and making sure everybody's doing what they're doing. Now how life is, oh man, it's beautiful. I am so glad I took that leap of faith. I am so glad I took that. Y'all have to understand that there's an unlimited amount of money out here. Unlimited. And all you need is your phone, your laptop, Wi-Fi. You don't even need a laptop. All you need is your phone to place trades and just live your life. Just let me coach you the right way so you can actually make money. This is a proven system. I literally do this. I do this every single day. Alright, y'all, I turned my hotspot on, so now I can do a little showing. Hold on. Alright. So, y'all see my hotspot on. Can I zoom? Let's see. Alright. So this is what I do. Let me clear all this off. Let me see if I can show you. Alright, so we're on our daily. Dailies right here. I make sure I look at the chart and I say, are we in an uptrend or downtrend? Obviously we are in an uptrend. So let's go down to the 4 hour. Bring it up. Make it big. Obviously we are in a uptrend again. So I'm going to take my text, put this right here. I'm going to put daily buy. Four hour buy. So now let's go to our 30-minute. Hold on, let me put this rectangular box right here to show that we have support right here and we have resistance right here. See how clean it looks when you do that? So let's bring this over here. And we are still in buys, but our 30-minute is looking real choppy. So remember how I said that some days are not trading days? I would not trade today because look, we are in a big, we're just chopping around. Look, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Like we have no real place we're going. You see right here, buys, boom, 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 buys. You see that? This makes sense. Or something over here where you can clearly see we are buying. Buy. But this right here, this stuff is choppy and I would not take a trade. So this is how y'all save money. Y'all keep losing money. This is how you save money. No trade day. That easy. Now you saved money. Let's go to a different pair just so I can show y'all one more time. Y'all want to do gold? Alright, let's do gold. Let's close everything out. Remove all that. Y'all, it's getting dark out here. Alright, y'all, as promised. Whataburger manager. Now